Zencal primarily focuses on scheduling and selling meetings, but we can also support you in additional sales activities such as upselling. Let's see how this would look in practice. I created my first paid service, a marketing consultation, and I'm confident that every client who buys it will also potentially be interested in my ebook Marketing Roller Coaster. In this case, I can create an upsell email campaign by going to the meeting topics settings, navigating to notifications, and creating a new message. We create a title, and the title is just for our use, so we can name it anything, for example, upsell ebook. We choose to send an email to the client, sending this message only to the clients who have scheduled a meeting with us in English. We select that the message should be sent only to the participant, meaning just the client, and that we want to send in 3 days after the meeting. Here we need to be more careful because this is the actual subject of our email, for example, special gift for you. We add our content, which I have additionally personalized using the available variables, and our message would sound something like this. Hi John, thank you for our meeting. I hope it was very valuable for you. I have prepared a special offer for my clients to purchase my ebook, Marketing Roller Coaster. You can buy it with a 30% discount through this link. Now, after saving this message, every client who schedules a meeting with me from this moment will receive this message with a link to purchase my ebook at a 30% discount 3 days after the meeting. I believe this is a great idea to further increase your sales, especially since we can effectively target our clients knowing they were interested in a particular service. We create an additional product for them that can further provide knowledge on the topic they were interested in. That's all for this guide, and I hope to see you soon in the next one.